Hello everyone. Hello guys. Today we make cornflakes tart. Cornflakes tart is my creation. I'm sure you never taste before because it's combination of all my experience between Arabic dessert and European dessert. I come with this combination which I promise you it's a very nice experience and you will never regret to do it. This I cut as triangle and I serve with vanilla cream or creme anglaise. Delicious, tasty, and first time somebody use cornflakes as a main ingredients in any tart or any dessert. Normally people use it as breakfast. Now we have revolution. I call it cornflakes basbousa or cornflakes tart. Really tasty aroma from Middle East. Presentation is European and sweet is really light. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I work in the chef, corporate pastry chef for Royal Caribbean, MSC, Norwegian Cruise Line, and many five-star hotels. All my experience, I bring it in this channel. First, we blend 500 gram of cornflakes. Just 500 gram. Blend it robo cup or kitchen aid or food processor, whatever your name is, as you see, becomes medium between flour and powder. Then we keep aside and prepare the other ingredients. The recipe is very easy. Anyway, I write it down in the description box below. 150 butter, I melted microwave. Then 500 gram cornflakes. 300 gram sugar. 50 gram coconut. 50 gram semolina. Then 1.5 gram cardamom powder. The flavor of cardamom bring a different experience in your world, and you will feel really tasty and aroma will be very delicious. I mix all dry ingredients. Then I added 150 gram melted butter. And as you see, the way I'm doing to make sure that the butter in the whole ingredients. After that, I put 400 milli milk, fresh milk, 50 milli fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add it 450 fresh milk. We mix exactly as the way I'm doing. Let's see. Now it's ready. You can feel is wet and you can mark your finger. Now one ring, cake ring, whatever you have, and you put parchment paper or cocoa butter paper. Make sure you close it well. After that, you wet your finger with water or fresh milk, whatever you like, and then you spread into the ring maximum 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 centimeter is mean 15 milli high, 15 milli centi high. So not 2 centimeter, 1.5, as you see in the first or beginning in the movie, because it's a semi-hard dessert. That's why we're serving with vanilla glaze or fresh cream as you like. Make sure all equal size, same high, 1.5 centi. All must be the same. You can wet your hand and spread it again. If you feel something need to be increased, don't hesitate. It's first time in the world to make tart 90% from cornflakes. You will really love it. Please, when you see the movie and you do the practice at home, leave comment and tell us your opinion. Now is the magic touch. I love almond crushed, so you can add it almond, hazelnut, pistachio, any nuts you love it, or you can make it plain. Is up to you. Now you make sure you wet the nuts so it's not easy to burn in the oven. Now is the syrup. 300 gram sugar, 300 gram water. It's, we call it light syrup. Exactly 300, 300. That's why. And then 1 gram of cardamom powder. You can increase little bit if you like, but 1 gram for this amount is really nice. We bring it to boil and then we bake the tart. Now we bake 180 centigrade for 30 minutes. 180 centigrade for 30 minutes, and here it is, as you see, beautiful golden color. As soon as come from oven, I added direct hot syrup. The syrup must be hot and direct from the oven. Leave it to absorb all the moist, and after 1 hour you can cut and you enjoy the aroma and flavor of amazing cornflakes tart with Western touch. This is my